Okay guys, good morning. I'm going to be going to the Atlanta World Natural Hair Expo today. So I'm just getting ready for that. I wanted to just hop on and record so I can take you guys with me. So I'm excited. I'm going to just be getting ready on camera. It's not going to be like a full detail on like my everyday makeup or how I did my hair or anything like that. So if you have like any questions, just leave them in a comment below, or if you like a video, just, you know, shoot me a comment and be like, can you make a video? And I will. I'm going to be doing my rest of my eyeshadow and the rest of my makeup and my hair before I leave. And what time is it? Yes, I have like an hour before I leave. So yeah, and I also want to thank you guys for the support in the comments. I know I don't have like a ton of subscribers, but every little person that I get super excited, and it's just like, I don't know. But I want to thank you guys for the support. Like, I truly and I really appreciate it. So thank you guys. So let me get into this video, and I'm sorry if this video is long in advance. So let me stop rambling and get to the video. I'm already dressed. I feel like my outfit is so cute. Oh, I haven't even used my ColourPop palettes yet, which is surprising. But I'm going to I have an idea how I want to do the video, like a first impression slash eyeshadow tutorial. So let me know if you guys are interested in me filming that kind of video. Just leave it in the comments below, please, and thank you. Have you guys listened to that new J. Cole album? That's what I was listening to. I like it. And have you seen the video, the music video for the song on his album? It's called ATM. I like it. It kind of reminds me of like I don't know, I was getting like a Missy Elliott kind of vibe from it. I might be wrong. That's just my opinion of like what I felt like I was getting from it. But I really liked it. It was really different. I'm gonna pray to Jesus that my camera don't die while I'm out today. I charged it today, so well, last night. So I'm gonna pray to Jesus. Also, I think it was like 2 days ago, this idea came to my head to where, well, I want to start like this kind of new, what should I call it? Series? Is series a good word for it? I'm not going to tell you guys yet though. But, I want to start this new series with eyeshadow, but I don't want to give it away because I'm bad at keeping surprises. Because then I'm gonna end up saying the whole thing here, and y'all gonna be like, well, I already knew because you didn't keep it a secret. And I hope that you guys will like it. I really like this brush, y'all, for highlighter. Because at first I was using this big old brush for highlighter, which is dirty. I have to clean it. But this one is better because it's like, I don't know, I guess it's the shape. The shape of the brush. Wow. If you guys could get a brush the shape of this and use the highlighter for it, you're gonna cry. already did my eyebrows, obviously. If you guys want to know how I did it, I'll link the video I created in the description. And then the eye, pray to Jesus that my hair came out right, because I don't want to be... I put these flexi rods on so it could be like, I usually do bantu knots with my flat twister, whatever you want to call them. Today would have been a perfect day, y'all, if I had that Fenty Beauty Lava Body. What is it? Lava, I feel like I'm saying it wrong, but you guys know what I'm saying. The Fenty Beauty Body Lavas would have been a perfect day to wear that. Perfect, right on the shoulders. Y'all can't tell me this would be cute as a hairstyle. You can't tell me. You can't. Like have these little bangs and then that's cute. That's cute. You can't tell me it's not. Alright guys, I think this is the look right here. Yeah. So I'm almost ready. Well, I think I am ready. Well, no, I'm not. I gotta still get some stuff together. So I'm going to continue on the video, and I hope you enjoy it. Say hello to my channel. Hello, world.
It was good. Good, Tati. Uh-oh, she about to get some of that fragrance. Uh-oh. Checking out some products right here. We're just checking out some products right here, so you know, let's just see what Iyana thinks. Like, she feeling it, she liking it, she buy something. We'll find out. compliment on her hair. Everybody loves her hair. Iyana, getting the hair wrap? Okay, she getting the hair wrap.
I met a YouTuber, guys. Joy Wade. Joy Wade is here. That's her book.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it wasn't too long for you guys. Make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, share, and make sure you put that the bell on for the notifications as well. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in